Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line there is coming from. And overall, the bounce continues. Like I've said in past videos, and the reason I tracked it for so long was, stocks like this that get absolutely beat down, there can be some nice bounces that come with it, and we're right in the middle of those, one of those bounces right now. And it continues to chip away, and that's what you want to see. So one of the newest things I'm going to do, this line down in there still does pertain, but it's kind of getting irrelevant right now. So from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level up, and we'll talk about what I would call the ideal level of support going forward. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would definitely be if the price can stay above 265. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 265, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of strength going forward. Taking a step back, though, and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line down here is coming into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full health, full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, staying up above 265 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% control the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? The initial level is going to be that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. And you can see, it's not a matter of breaking up above that level because the price broke up above it twice today. It's a matter of actually staying up above it. So that's going to be the first kind of key thing, is not, like I said, breaking above it, but staying up above it. And if the price can break above it and then start to stay above it, the next key level to watch will be right up there at $2.81. But all in all, as long as the price continues to chip away with those higher lows like it's been doing over the past several days, that is the name of the game. But this thing is definitely bouncing. It's definitely trying to work on starting to build itself an uptrend. So we'll see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.